Myself Sachin Gupta. I am MCom B.Ed MA Economics, net qualified in economics. In the last lecture or previous lecture we studied the basic numerical of the national income. Now we start the methods of calculating national income. There are three methods of calculating national income: income method, expenditure method, and value added or output method. We start the method income method. Income method. In income method we take all types of income. First, compensation of employees. It has part also: A, wages, B, salaries, C, employer's contribution. Employer contribution to social security schemes, SSS. Employer's contribution to social security scheme. Second, operating surplus. Operating surplus. It has part also: rent and royalty. B, interest. C, profit. Profit has also part: profit or corporate tax. Corporate tax plus undistributed profit. Profit plus dividend. So this is the part of profit, either given the profit or maybe the part. Similarly, operating surplus given directly or maybe the part. Employers compensation of employees has same main part, main heading or maybe part. And third one is mixed income of self-employed. Self-employed. So if we add all these, we get domestic income. We get domestic income, which mean NDPFC. Which mean NDPFC. For calculating the national income, we calculate NNPFC. National income के लिए NNPFC, net national product at factor cost. We have NDPFC, net domestic product at factor cost. Net same. National is equal to domestic plus NFIA. Then we get NFIA means net factor income from abroad. We get national income. So this is the formula of calculating national income by income method. Now we do a numerical. We take an example of numerical. Calculate national income by income method. National income by income method. First, here we write items. Here in figure amount rupees in crores. First, rent. Second, royalty. Third, interest. Fourth, wages and salaries. Fifth, profit. Sixth, mixed income. or mixed income of self-employed, same thing. Next, depreciation, or eighth, employers contribution to social security schemes. ठीक, तो रेंट इज 1400, रॉयल्टी 200, रेंट इज 1400, रॉयल्टी 200, इंटरेस्ट 1500, and wages and salaries 800, profit 500, mixed income 1000, depreciation 70, and employers contribution to SS schemes 200. This is the numerical. Now we start to solve this. So this is solution. First, we write compensation of employees. Compensation of employees. Here A, we add wages and salaries and employers contribution. Employers contribution to social security scheme. So here wages and salaries is 800, wages and salaries 800. Next, employers contribution to SS scheme 200. Second, operating surplus. In operating surplus, we add rent plus royalty plus interest plus profit. So rent is 1400 plus royalty 200 plus interest. Interest is 1500 plus profit 500. So the total is 2000, 3000, 3600. Next, third one is mixed income. Mixed income. Mixed income is 1000. If we add all this, compensation of employee, wages and salaries 800, employers contribution to SS schemes 200, operating surplus, rent plus royalty plus interest plus profit, we get total 3600, 1400, 200, 1500, 500. Mixed income. If we add all these, we get 0, 5600. This is NDPFC. This is NDPFC national income. For national income, we have one more item, net factor income from abroad. NFIA, which is minus 100, which is minus 100. National income NNPFC is equal to NDPFC plus NFIA. NDPFC 5600 plus NFIA minus 100. 5600 minus 100 is equal to rupees 5500 crores. This is the national income of calculating national income by income method. So we can calculate numbers of numerical of national income by using income method. And please subscribe my channel and share the video, like and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my further lectures and classes. Thank you.